Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll discuss about how you can run your Google ads or ads on YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel or if you have a branding channel, so if you want to run your YouTube ads, how you can perform this. So in this video we will discuss about the complete. This video is basically complete about the how you can run your Google ads on the your YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. So if you are new in my channel, just keep subscribe, learn with Sheikh Wasim, so you will never miss the any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So by the way, this is the URL google ads.google.com YouTube ads. So just type on Google as well. If you have an already account, just click it to sign in, or you can just sign up the account. So it will ask me some about my business information. So let's say I would say click mobile. This is my business name, and let's say my website is clickmobile.com. This is my website. So it will understand some couple of questions. So what type of campaign you want to run? What type of advertisement of your goal? You want to get more calls, or you want to get more websites, sales or leads? If you want to get more visitors or physical location, you want to get more views and engagement on YouTube. So this is our target of our the campaign. We want we need more views and the engagement on our YouTube channel. Let's click it next. So it will ask you what do you want to focus on, traffic or engagement. So we just go on the bottom, you just click the switch expert mode. It will give you the more options, more details and further options to how you perform your ad. So click the switch expert mode. So these are the expert mode options. We'll discuss one by one. So first one is the choose your objective. What is the objective? Just leave as it is. Just click it on create a campaign without goals. I just click it on this one, and then it will ask me select your campaign type. So my campaign type is videos, reviews, and YouTube and goals. And performance search, display, smart app. This is not option. So our campaign type is reach viewers on YouTube and get conversation. So this is YouTube views. Okay, click it on, and let's see the next option. What is the next option? So yeah, so my campaign name, just I need to mention the I need to mention my write down my campaign name. So this is my campaign name is the click mobile ads. This is my campaign name. So build per strategy. What is your build per strategy? We'll discuss in later. It's basically the cost per view. What will the charge of the cost per view? It's basically someone views your videos, how much cost your video will charge. If you want, what is your budget? We'll discuss in later further. Just leave it as it is. Okay. Then mention how duration of the campaign. Uh, you want you want to daily, you want to your budget is daily campaign, or you want to entire total campaign budget. So these two options are available. Which options, it depends upon your requirement. Either you want to run daily, or your either you want to mention the daily budget, or you want to mention the total amount of the campaign. So let's say I mentioned the total amount. My total amount is 5,000. Okay, so starting date says from which date your campaign will start. So let's say I just start the first of Feb and until it will end in 2 weeks, or you can mention the date. I'd say 15th of Feb. So as you can see, the your total budget is for 5,000 campaign, and per day will be the charge on 333 daily budget, and run until 15 days of the 15 days. So this is the my budget and rates. Let's go to the YouTube. You can mention as it is. Just leave a Google partners. You want to add the Google partners. It's up to you. I suggest just leave it as it is. It is and disable this. So in the right side, as you can see, total available impression means total target audience will be 4 billion. So it's, you can narrow down further. It's up to you, depend the targeted audience. So which target audience you want to is depend upon. Let's see further. Yeah, one of the major is the location. So if you want to target the country wise or city wise or the location wise, you have to mention here. So I just mentioned the only for the Pakistan, either or you want to enter your country name or the province name or the city name. You just mention it here. So as you can see, when I click it on Pakistan, it will the impression will change automatically. Okay, and the language says I am targeting on the on English and the Urdu. Basically Urdu is the native language, so I have to select the Urdu as well. Okay, so further, the related videos, if you want to add the related videos like something like this, first videos will look like on this, and the next video and the first second video and the third video will look like this. So you have to mention the let me search and click the copy this link, and I have to mention it here. Welcome back, guys. This is Naseem. Okay. Welcome back. Okay, and then I have to mention another one. Okay, this one. So as you can see, my videos, both videos will look like this. So I mentioned my both videos, and then multi-format ads. So multi-format ads a new feature added by Google. So it says get up 40% views by allowing Google to find the right mix. So I said as it is, I don't want to change further. And then go to the most important option is additional. So your ads will be running on all devices, computers, mobiles, tablets and TV screens, or you want to choose the specific. So I just suggest leave addresses on all devices. And the frequency, so frequency is most important. Frequency says the cap frequency, impression frequency, I cap view frequency. So when we run this, click this cap impression frequency, it says limit how many times that your ads in the campaign can show to the same users. Means your particular video how many times will show to the same user. So I just mentioned 2 times per day or 3 times per day, it depends upon you. So as you can see, when I nothing, my pressure will change, and when you to the 2, it's automatically reduces because narrow, for further narrow the audience. And this one is the limit how many times that aids in the campaign can get a view or interaction from the same user. So it's basically if someone interacts your videos, you how many times it will target to the same user. So you have to mention, let's say I mentioned 2 as well. Okay, scheduling of aids is most important as well. So if you want to run the particular uh, you have a 24 hours. So if you want to run the aids in particular time from evening or morning, It's, you have to decide from Monday to Friday, or in Monday you have to mention the time, a specific time from which time your ad is running, and from Tuesday from which time your ad is running. Let's say it's Monday. On Monday my ad will start from the 9 9 a.m. and end in 12 p.m. Means mid, yeah, this one. And the Tuesday my ads will start 1 a.m. midnight and will 3:30 a.m. So this is how my ad will run this. And you have to mention third party. There is no third party measurement. So leave it as. And this one is the ad group. Leave the ad as this. Leave same group. If you want to run multiple times, you have to mention the group name. And this one is the age democracy, where you want to select the age factor. You want to target males only or females only. You want to define the age, and it's depend upon your business, what type of business you want, what type of audience you want to target, and how and you want to age. You define your age. It's up to you, guys. And the keywords, if you have know your business keywords, you can mention the your keywords and the websites you want targeted. And then we have topics. Is if you want to search any particular topic, you can talk about placement, where you want to where you want to place your ad, place your video or ads. So you have to search the ads as well, or you want to mention the specific URL to particular target to the any channel or any video where you want to show the your ad will particular on particular video. When someone watch the any particular song which is famous, thousands of views away on that video, so you can target as well. You can mention on that as well. So this is how the steps. And then you have to mention your original video, your targeted video. This is my the video. This is my video will look like this on mobile, and the on tablet my video will look like this, and the my TV screen will my smart screen will my video will look like this. So you have to mention the video name as well, and the URL. Let's say click mobile.com is the my website, and then display the URL. Okay, this is okay. Call action button. I have to, if you want to add the call action button, when someone click the website, it will click on your website as well. So you have to mention the headlines. Click mobile, long leave it, long headline. I just mentioned click mobile as well. Discussion, long headline, and the URL auto generated ads one auto generated bid per second. So this is the bid. How much time your per video will. So this is a most important strategy. You have to select the video. You have to decide the bid. So the bid will starting from the point 3. I have to mention my 3. Cost per view. Cost per view means someone will visit the website, someone visit your video, and we see, and it will charge you. It will charge automatically from cost per bid. So this we will discuss this in next video, because this is the most important. So we will discuss in the later videos. So as you can see, my campaign is now ready. This is the expert mode. When you are doing when you are doing performing the your ads in detail, you have to always select your expert mode. So because in expert mode you give a lot of options available. So again, just quickly review my video name. Campaign name is there, my total budget and dates are defined, and networks I only target YouTube's. Location I have selected my Pakistan, and the related videos which comes uh, your in your means on your mention in your similar type of videos will show in your video in your channel. Someone visit, someone view the video, it will same video will be appear in the next. So multi-format, this will introduce new feature Google introduce, and the cap frequency I mentioned, the cap frequency you have to mention per day, same users. Your video will same will target on same user and will show the video 2 times per day. Same as cap view frequency interaction, same per day for same user, and you have to mention the scheduled dates from which date or which time duration your ad will run, and the and then this is the age demography. As I discussed, keywords, you have to mention the keywords, topics, and targeted channel if you want to target any particular channel, and you can select here, mention the channel name, and your video will, when someone watch the video, it will automatically appear your video. Okay, so this is the your ad will look like this. You have to mention the actual URL, so your ad will look like this. So also mention your website name and call action button. If someone click the button, it will automatically uh, go to your website. So this is how the you can perform your YouTube ads. So that's it, right? After this, after when you perform this, it will ask you the your budget. So you have to mention your credit card budget. You have to mention the credit card. It will automatically go to the, let's create the budget. Okay, sign up. Let's see, create the budget. Click it on. Let's see. Now it will ask switch me to the payment information. I have to mention my credit card information, and it will detect the payment, which is a campaign, which is campaign we decided 4,000. So this is that's it, guys. When you submit, it will review. It will take some time to review. Google will review your ad. If the your ad or videos or ads will will match the terms and conditions, it will automatically start your ads, Google ads. So this is how the process of the Google YouTube ads, how you can perform the YouTube ads. So if you have any query related YouTube, how you can perform the YouTube ads, just mention the comment box, your query, and then I will respond accordingly. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, just keep subscribe my YouTube channel and press the notification icon so you will never miss any upcoming videos. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.